Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy fix for a broken taillight. Usually a whole taillight assembly can be kind of pricey, so if you got a crack or a small hole like this, there are a lot of different products like this, not a sponsor, for doing a quick fix. So following the directions on whatever product you're using, you're going to want to remove any loose pieces. There's no loose pieces on here. You're going to want to cut the repair piece to fit over what you need to repair. In this case, I'm using the entire sheet. And then you need to clean the area. Then peel the backing off of the repair piece. Line it up. So it's not a perfect repair, there's a lot of wrinkles, but it can get you by until you can buy a new taillight. Some states have regulations about any white light escaping. That would have been happening right here with the hole, but now it's covered. I hope this video is helpful. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.